Okay, I want to show a new feature to Certificate Creator 4.0, and that is adding signatures to your certificates. So you can handwrite your own signature and place it on certificates just like as if you signed it with a pen. But we're going to be signing it digitally with our mouse, or if you have a touchscreen and a pen or a tablet, you can use your finger or your pen on those devices. But it is here in this signature pop-up. But before we get going, so here's the finished product. And you can also, as you can see, save your signatures. We have many members that print off hundreds or 1,000 at a time that, I'm not entirely sure if they're signing them all by hand or if they're just using the pre-built text pieces for the signature, but now they have a way to actually sign all their certificates. So here's kind of our finished product. Let's move these. I'm going to go back in, and using my mouse, I click and hold while I sign. And if I don't like what I did, I can hit the clear, start over. And we'll go with that for now. And I say add signature. And it has to place it up here. I've added Mike. Now I want to do the same thing. Let's sign a date. Create a date. Doesn't always have to be a signature. You can if this is a free drawing area, so we can put whatever we want. So let's do 1, 1, 18. Probably not the best, but let's add it. And it is a little bit big compared to my signature, so let's size it down a little. Yeah, that's a little better. There we have it. So what if I want to create a signature and save it? Say I got that, I hit save. Now it's saved in my account, and whenever I log in, it will be available up here. And so, just approve that, cancel, come back in, click my signature, and voila. Now, say we want to have several others. Go. John Hancock. Save it. Now we have mine, John Hancock's. We can add it. Let's remove mine. Is this always big? There we go. Now we can come back in and to start over. Say I have something selected and I want to create a new one, just hit clear, clears it out, create a new one, and I hit add signature. It will add, it's going to add whatever's in this little drawing area here. So even though I started with a saved one, I hit clear, whatever's in this drawing area, I can add signature. If I want to save it, I have to hit save. But let's just show you that. Got another one up here. Okay. And so now I should just have my 2, John Hancock, and my Mike. So that one that I created, it's not saved. I just, one-offed it. Let's clear that. Start over. Signature. This one I do want to save. And I want to come to signature. I want to remove it. I can do it right here. Delete your saved signature. Sure. It's gone. So that's how a quick and easy way to get your signatures into Certificate Creator. Let me know what you think. Thanks.